welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're now a part of the 224 gang. If you don't know what that means, you have to tune into my other videos to find out. But if you do, welcome back, family. Welcome back, gang. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing the most simple, natural makeup look. It's literally the easiest. I'm not a makeup guru, so I start off by applying my face primer. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. You see my lips moving because I'm singing in the background while recording the video. As I let the primer dry, I wet my beauty blender with water before applying my concealer. I use the LA Girl Concealer in Pure Beige, and I apply it to my T-zone area wherever I have blemishes or spots, and then just blend it. I brush on my eyebrows so they have a clean shape. Then I take the same concealer and outline my eyebrows. I blend in the concealer with this brush, and then sometimes if I want to fill in my eyebrows, I use the Kiss Go Brow eyebrow pencil. I think it's called Enriched Brown Chocolate. Now I take the MAC Prep and Prime Transparent Finishing Powder and apply it everywhere I put the concealer, just a little bit, and then wipe it off with this brush. I apply powder under my eyes to prevent creasing throughout the day. Then I use my lash curler to curl my lashes, and they make a huge difference. Watch, you'll see. And then after that, I just apply mascara. a rush, I'll just stop there because as you can see, like, I look a little more awake. So if I don't want to stop there, I'll put some bronzer, highlight, and some stuff on my lips. Oh, I forgot. I put blush on. I use the Tarte blush in Kisses. It looks like this. I just tap it. Okay, in person you can see it. In the camera you can only see it a little bit. So I'm just gonna do the extra steps just to show you, and then I'll show you the finished look. I apply bronzer starting from my temple down to my cheekbones, and then blend it in, also on my forehead and jawline. I don't contour my nose because I think it looks fine the way it is. I apply highlight on my cheekbones, nose, and under eyebrows, sometimes on the top of my lip as well. With the same brow pencil, I outline my lips, then put a lip gloss or lipstick just to add extra glam. This is the Kiss Grow Brow Pencil in Rich Brown Chocolate.
Fun.
So this is my finished makeup look. I just look more alive, more awake, more myself. I don't always put lip liner on my lips because I can see it looks like, give me a little older look, older vibe. It's a little darker, but I like it. It's cute. But this is the finished makeup look. Let me know in the comments how you like it. What do you think? It goes with like any hairstyle, any look. It's just my go-to. See, I feel like a model now. I feel way more. Voila. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, comment any other videos you'd like to see. Turn on the post notifications bell so you get notified every time I make a new video. Thank you for tuning into this video. Love you guys.